Hello everyone and welcome to Edu with Fun. We all know parents are the first teachers, and in current scenario the children are spending all the time with the parents only because there is no school open currently. So here we have an activity where parents are going to draw and teach the child how to draw it. But child is not going to draw. Child is going to wipe it and erase it because they love the work which is undo. So this activity is called write and wipe. Earlier we learned to write a pattern and capital letter. Now it's turn for small letters. So let's start writing small letters using write and wipe technique. For activity we need water, duster, peg, chalk piece and cotton. And blackboard is essential to write. Chalk to write and duster to erase it. Peg holding cotton, dip it into water and wipe it on the blackboard. You can see here the mark or watermark, right? Now parents are going to draw letter A in the curve from up to down and again up, join it and come down. This is the way to write letter A. Ask child to erase it using duster and the formation should be similar as you have drawn. Using peg also the same way, curve come down, goes up and come down again. Now similar way write letter B, standing line and curve. As I'm saying, these patterns is very important. Why? Because if child is first writing the curve pattern and then standing line, it will be problem afterwards, not now, but it become a habit for a child and then problem because they started writing in a similar way. And when they are writing fast, it will be difficult for them to write it faster and proper. So it's better to follow the formation properly of a letter. So here I have written letters C, D and E and F to save the time so that you can see all letter all together. As parent are going to watch this, it's not for the children to watch and do, it's for the parent to look how to do this activity and do it with your child because it's a parent family activity. When parents are doing something with the child, they feel very happy. Like here I have drew C curve, D curve and the standing line, then E again a small curve, F again a curve and a standing line and sleeping line. Now here all the letters I have written similarly all together, like letter A, letter B standing line and curve as we know, letter C curve. And please look after for the child that how he or she is holding a peg because it's a fine motor skill activity as well, holding peg. It helps to develop the two fingers and thumb, which is very much useful for writing. As we know, we hold pencil using these one thumb and two fingers only. So the similar way you can write all the letters, but I have written here all together. You can write a single and ask child to do it once they started learning. Once they already are pro in that, they already know how to write the letters properly, then you can ask them to write all together also. So here it's done Q, then R. As I was saying, the formation is very important. The flow of letter, how it comes from up to down and how the curves goes is very important. Please look after for that so that our children should not face any difficulty while writing. So I hope you have learned how to write letters and how the child is going to do this. It will be really very fun activity, I feel. Please send me the pictures of the activities. I will be looking after for that. Thank you so much for watching Write and Wipe activity. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and you can write us on eduvithfun@Facebook and mail us at eduvithfun.1@gmail.com. Thank you.